Adzuki beans are a great source of protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals, such as iron, potassium, and magnesium. This makes them an excellent food for maintaining a healthy body. Adzuki beans are low in calories and high in fiber, which makes them a great food for weight loss. Adzuki beans have a low glycemic index, which means they are slowly digested and absorbed, helping to regulate blood sugar levels. Adzuki beans are rich in potassium, which helps to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. They are also high in fiber, which helps to reduce cholesterol levels in the blood. Adzuki beans can be used in a variety of dishes, including soups, stews, salads, and even desserts. They can be used as a substitute for other beans or grains, or simply as a flavorful addition to any dish.